Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw crypto winnings using eToro. To withdraw your crypto winnings using eToro, start by logging into your eToro account. Once logged in, navigate to the Portfolio section from the menu on the left. In the Portfolio section, locate the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Click on the crypto asset to open detailed information about it. Next, select the sell option to convert your cryptocurrency to cash. Confirm the amount you wish to sell and proceed with the transaction. After selling, return to the main menu and click on Withdraw Funds. You will see the available balance that can be withdrawn. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to provide additional verification documents. Complete any required fields related to your selected withdrawal method. After confirming all the details, submit your withdrawal request. Note that eToro may have specific processing times for withdrawals. Be sure to check the withdrawal limits associated with your account type. You will receive a notification once your withdrawal request is processed. Monitor your email for updates regarding your withdrawal status. Keep an eye on your selected payment method to confirm receipt of your funds. If you encounter any issues or delays, reach out to eToro's customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.